Want strong and long-lasting nails with colourful colours? Let me show you how. Hi, it's Jenny here. Today I'm going to show you how to build Flexibuild X on your customers' nails and apply their favourite colours on them.
Always do the base coat first. I'm using the BlazingStar Revive base as it helps increase durability, prevent nail lifting and protect the nails better. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a thin layer of Flexibuild X. Do not cure yet, but continue taking a good amount of the gel to the middle of the nail surface and start building it. Use an art brush to create a smooth form. Cure for 5 seconds each time you finish one finger to avoid overflowing. Then, cure for 60 seconds for the entire hand after you finish building the gel. Buffer the nail for a smoother surface before applying colours. Take your customer's favourite colours and apply the first layer on all fingers. Cure them for 60 seconds, then apply another layer and cure for 60 seconds for all fingers. Doing your nails with Flexibuild X and gel polish will help the nails last longer and naturally stronger rather than just gel polish alone. You definitely have to try it. To finish, apply BlazingStar Durashine Gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds to lock in the colour, give them a shiny look and ensure the durability for your customers' nails. One tip to boost customer satisfaction is by offering nail aftercare. Use BlazingStar Cuticle Oil to hydrate and maintain healthy cuticles. Finish with a quick hand massage using BlazingStar Lotion to moisturise customers' hands and enhance the experience, leaving them feeling pampered and valued with your premium service.